In today's video, I will teach you how to create a talking video without showing your face using an AI-generated AI avatar. You can create your own AI avatar and make your AI video. The AI will generate your voice and write a script for you. You don't need to do much and the video will be effortless. However, it will garner millions of views because AI videos are going viral on different social media platforms, especially YouTube. So let's get started with the video. In our first step, we will create our avatar. To do this, let's visit Leonardo.ai and click on AI image generate in the V3 beta section, which is currently free. Then select absolute reality and dynamic and use the prompt a confident young woman in red t-shirt gazing at the lens with a variety of expressions. Click on generate and your avatar image will be created. If you wish to create identical image of the same face with different outfits, we will need to use image to image on the same website. Upload your image, choose absolute reality, make necessary changes to the prompt. For example, I write here black sweatshirt instead of red t-shirt and click on generate to create more images. Now our avatar is ready with the black sweatshirt images, though they might not be perfectly identical. They are quite similar. Moreover, we can create identical images of the same face with different outfits using image to image feature. Our avatar is now all set. Now our next step is to change background of our image. If you prefer to keep the existing background, that's also an option. However, I will show you how to change the background using Adobe Express. First, you need to go Adobe and use Adobe Express to remove the background. Once the background is removed, we move on the next step, which is adding a green screen behind the image. To do this, we will use photo room. Go to the photoroom.com and upload your image. Here you will find the option to select green screen as your background. Choose the green screen background and your image will now have a green screen. After setting the green screen background, you can download the image with the green background. Now you have a transparent green image with the green screen effect. Great. Now let's get our script ready using ChatGPT. Here's the prompt. You are an AI generated avatar named Natalia, starting your YouTube channel with a funny script for your first video where you will be teaching people how to use AI tools to create their own avatars. I will go ahead and provide the prompt to ChatGPT. It will generate our script. Once it's ready, I will copy it and share it with you. Please give a moment. Here's the script for your first video. There you have it, Natalia's hilarious script for her first video. Now you are all set to bring the fun and informative content to life. In the next step, we will generate our voiceover. To do this, we will have to play HD. Once there, we will find an interface like this. You can sign up using Google, any other method you prefer. After signing up, you will see in an interface like this. Click on create voice for free. Here you will paste the script that we prepared using ChatGPT. Once you have pasted the script, the voiceover generation process will begin. During the voiceover generation, you will have the option to choose from various voice options. You can listen to each voice and select the one that suits your video
your
the
sales
best.
Readiness self-assessment that'll help you on your mornings look like. What do they sound like?
If you want to make any changes, you can regenerate the voice until you are happy with the result. Once the voiceover is created, you are satisfied with it, you can proceed to the next step of turning your AI avatar into a talking video.
Generated guide to the captivating world of avatar creation.
The next step is to transform our avatar into talking video. For this, we will go to did.com. Once there, we will find an interface with options like start now, it's free. Click on this option and sign up. After signing up, a new interface will appear. So click on create video and upload your previously generated audio file. Once the audio file is uploaded, you will see an option generate. Click on generate and the process of creating our video will begin. You can now watch the magic happen as our video is being generated. It's amazing to see how everything comes together effortlessly. After the generation process is complete, you will be able to watch your impressive video. Now our next step is to replace green screen background with the background of our choice. To do this, I will remove the background from my video and add the preferred background using CapCut. First, I will upload the image with my chosen background and then click on overlay to add it to my video. After uploading the video to CapCut, I will go to the cutout option where I will find the background removal tool. With just a few amazing seconds, the background will be removed. Now I will adjust the video according to my liking, ensuring that it fits perfectly with the frame. Selecting the right frame and aspect ratio crucial. Once I am satisfied, I will save the final results. Now let's take a look at how our video turned out.
Hey there, lovely creators. I'm Natalia, your AI-generated guide to the captivating world of avatar creation using AI tools. Today, we're going to embark on an exciting journey where you can let your imagination run wild and bring your very own digital persona to life. So, without further ado, let's jump right in. Start by selecting your avatar's base appearance. You'll find a variety of presets to choose from, or let the AI surprise you with something extraordinary. Now, it's time to get imaginative. Customize your avatar's features from eyes to hairstyles to create a unique and captivating look. Don't forget to add some personality. Choose a demeanor for your avatar, shy, sassy, mischievous, or anything in between, to give it a distinct character.
Our video is truly amazing, just like how you can upload your video on your channel and potentially reach millions of views. If you enjoyed this video, please show your support by liking and subscribing to my channel. Stay tuned for more interesting videos to come. Thank you for watching and I appreciate your support.